was a member of this church. I went there for 3 years. The stories about boys living with him is true. He always have boys around him. About 2 years ago, he had this one young man who had lived with him for 3 years. It was suspected that he had a romantic relationship with this man. He would take him on trips and buy him expensive gifts. However, the young man was also involved with girls in the church, and when he found out, he was very upset and kicked the young man out as he was living with him at the time. He started spreading lies on the young man, saying that the young man killed his father and grandfather and tried to poison him. However, he never found a police report or anything. He was upset that the man he was involved with was having with another people in the church. He has a reputation of slandering your name whenever you decide to leave the church. He always has men living with him, and it would all end badly, where according to him, they all tried to murder him. Sources that live with them as well other men are saying that the young man that he would take on trips would spend a lot of time in his room and would cook for him, and whenever he came home from long trips where he couldn't go, he would have rose petals on the ground and on his bed waiting for him. Seems like a lover situation to me. So that was from somebody who actually was a member of the church.